Hey, this is Ellie from Magic Beans, and in this video, I'm going to be unboxing the brand new Bugaboo Fox Stroller. If you haven't seen my full review of the Bugaboo Fox, go check it out on Magic Beans videos. I have not taken this stroller out of the box before. I don't know what to expect. What I do know is this is a brand new platform for Bugaboo. So this will be different from the previous Buffalo or the Chameleon. We are going to experience this together. I'm really excited about unboxing this right in front of you. Wish me luck. Now, if you have any questions about the Bugaboo Fox or any other stroller or assembling strollers, do you know that we offer free assembly in all of our stores at Magic Beans? So if you buy a stroller for us, we'll assemble it for free. Anyway, if you have any questions, email us your questions to questions@beans.com, or you can give us a call at 617-383-8259, or you can just leave a comment below. Let me know how I did with the assembly. And remember, the Bugaboo Fox is available from us for Magic Beans. Here's the unboxing! Meet your Bugaboo Fox. Great. You probably shouldn't be using a knife like this to open it, but I don't actually know how you would if you didn't, but we're just gonna undo this with the Bugaboo tape. There we go. Okay, so we are opening up the box. Packing material, goodbye. Okay, so what do we have here? We have the wheels. So we have 12-inch wheels on the back. They are foam-filled wheels. They aren't air-filled wheels. And here they are, 1 and 2. What do we have here? This looks like the basket of the stroller. There are 3 complete sets with the Bugaboo Fox. There is the blue melange, which I have here. There is the all black, a black frame with a black seat. And then they also have the black with pure white. So they're the complete sets. So I have a complete set here where the fabrics and the canopy and all the components are in one box, but you can also buy this in a customized set. This is not one of those customizable sets. That actually comes in 6 different boxes, 1 complete box. We have here the actual stroller seat. And over here, this looks like it is the top of the bassinet. And here is the actual chassis. That's pretty cool. We have a chassis right here. And it has the leatherette, like faux leather handlebars. Now we have the front wheels. Always exciting to open a brand new Bugaboo. Front wheels, 8-inch front wheels, opposed to the Buffalo that had 10-inch front wheels. Really nice quality. You can see the suspension, pretty cool. And we have a canopy. Nice blue melange canopy, really, really good quality. Oh, nice, just sort of like a solid blue on the inside. Okay, the first new piece. So you may not be familiar with Bugaboo strollers, but they've made this from more recycled materials. There's actually more recycled plastics in the components of the Fox, and part of it is the backbone of the stroller is gonna be this plastic piece. You can see there's the plastic footrest, and this is the plastic back of the actual toddler seat. And here is the actual bassinet. And this is the mattress for the bassinet. Oh, this looks like the rain cover in this gray situation. Instruction manual. And then we have the belly bar. Okay, it's unboxed. Okay, I have a whole bunch of pieces of Bugaboo Fox in front of me. So what is the first step? The first step I'm going to do is I'm going to put the wheels and the basket onto the chassis. So remember, to open up the Fox, you turn this knob, turn that knob, and it opens up. And then I'm just going to pop the wheels on. So I put the back wheel on. Oh, this is a completely different type of axle than they have on the other ones. That's pretty cool and new. That pops right in. Awesome. We are doing so well with our assembly. Now we have the basket. Let's see how this works. So on the sides here, there are these little sort of circular things, and that lines up with their little holes on the inside of the basket as well. And what happens is I'm gonna pop that hole right onto the, it's like a little button. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna line up this first button, put it around there. That is on. Great, next. See, there's a little tiny channel here, and then you just grab this little piece and you're actually just gonna send it right through. And you just slide that in and you click it in. Great, so we have our basket, holds up to 22 pounds. Nice adjustable handlebar, brake, cool. Close that up, great. Now let's assemble the seat. Okay, so if you don't get the Bugaboo complete, you're gonna have to assemble the entire bassinet. But because this is a complete, all you have to do is take out this little plastic piece on the front and this plastic piece on the back, push down the bassinet, and then again, it's going to, you see what I'm doing here? There's a little hole and a little groove. It's kind of like the way we used to put telephones on walls. Am I dating myself? So let me show you how to do that. You push this in. You're gonna have to use some strength to do this. And it slides in, and move this aside. In, click. Got it? Click, yay! I did it! Isn't that great? Now we have a bassinet. Sleep safe for your baby. You can use this with the Bugaboo bassinet stand. I'm gonna throw this right on the stroller just so it's there. And let's add let's put in the mattress. There it is, nice blue mattress. What's that, nice and easy? Really nice PK sides on it and a nice blue color. Here is the canopy. The canopy is different from the old canopies. You find these grooves on the side, and you can just put it in. Just line it up on the top and push it underneath. And I'll do the same thing on this side. Put in the grooves and the teeth and click it in. And the final piece for the bassinet assembly is it comes with an apron included when you buy the complete, and this just zips on. So all you have to do is zip on the apron. So you just line up the zipper like a simple zipper. Okay, we have the bassinet, the Bugaboo Fox in the bassinet mode. So just like the other strollers, like the Chameleon, the Donkey, you're gonna get one frame, like you saw me put on one frame. This is the frame for the bassinet, but it's also the frame for the toddler seat. The final piece is it comes with a belly bar that looks like this. I hope you're enjoying this video. Email me your questions to questions@mbeans.com. We're here for you. If you're in the middle of assembling this, just relax, it'll be okay. And then now you have this really nice assembled bassinet. Okay, so that was fairly easy to do. A little bit of a different system than if you're familiar with Bugaboo strollers. But now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the bassinet and I'm gonna turn it into the actual toddler seat. So the first thing I'm gonna show you is it comes with this other piece here, and let's take a look at what we're getting here. You're getting the footrest, which just Velcros, and it's like attached to a box. That's pretty cool. So unvelcro this, and unvelcro this, and that removes. Okay, so here's your footwell piece, and this is your back. Okay, great. Here's the actual fabric. And it looks like this, really nice. So how are we gonna get started? Let's unzip the apron. Remove the belly bar. Remove the canopy. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to undo these plastic pieces on the bottom just by pushing them out like that. And same thing on the other side. That goes out like that. That just sort of flops around like this. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to, what happens is, this is the adjuster. I'm going to undo this, the fabric around the adjustment piece, and I'm going to slide down the fabric. Once you remove the fabric from the top piece, now what you want to do is, see these little buttons on the bottom of the fabric? What you want to do is you're going to want to remove this entire foam bottom. So I just unbuttoned one, and I flipped it over, and I'm going to unbutton the other one. That's gone. Now your fabric set is nice and loose, and you're going to be able to pull your pull the seat right out. So when you put the, if you were to assemble this from the get-go, you'd be, see there's this little green triangle? This is how you put it on. So I'm about to take the fabric off, so I'm going to put it the opposite direction from that green triangle, going upwards. So all I have to do is pull out this fabric, and it comes right out. Just like that. Now you have two pieces. You have the frame, and you have this plastic piece. Okay, so if you can picture it, this is going to be the back of the seat, and you can tell because you have the Bugaboo logo on the back, and you just sort of like have to do a little bit of visualization before you get started. So this is going to be the back of the seat, and this is the back of the frame where you can see the different legs. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this plastic piece, and you're going to do these like little metal sort of prongs that's going to go on there. And then you're gonna, once again, those little grooves, that is sort of like the key to this whole stroller. You're gonna put the plastic in the groove and put one in, and you're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Put it in the groove, boom, and in. Okay, now you have the seat attached, just like that. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to put the fabric on. I'm gonna actually put these little stoppers in. Okay, cool. Now we're gonna put the fabric on. So grab that fabric, looks like this, and what you're gonna do is take the fabric and again put it around the white handlebar, and you can see there's the back. And you're gonna put the fabric around the frame, and you can see the seat sits on the plastic. Actually, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to push the little straps through the hole. Boom, putting this all through, great. Now, you have these sort of like 4 nubs on the bottom, and you're going to find the fabric. Oh, look at that fabric. Right, 1. 3. This is different, guys. This is different for someone who's been selling Bugaboos and using Bugaboos for many years. It's a different way of engineering. You know, that's the nice thing about Bugaboo, is that they engineer everything from the ground up. So they have their ways. They just have their very special ways of doing things. Now that those buttons are in, I'm just going to close the seat together. See, these things come through here. See how that just sort of, you can like pop out and see how that goes back together. That's cool. And now, and also have to put your, see I didn't put the little leg strap through, but I'm going to do that right now. There we go. Crop strap comes through, that goes on, and we're good. Okay, now take that frame back. Cool, seat's on. Let's put the straps all together now. That's all on together. Great. I'm going to take see how that goes up and down just like that. We are all through good. Awesome. Next, let's put the canopy on. Grab the canopy. There is that hole in the back again. Again, that should go again through the place where that lever is. That goes right through. Perfect. Line it up. Pop that on one side. I'm basically lining up the canopy and just it goes on. It's pretty obvious once you can see inside the canopy. Put the canopy on. Boom. We need a belly bar. Let's put that on. Click one in, click the other one, and now you have a perfectly assembled, or pretty perfectly assembled, Bugaboo Fox Stroller. Adjust those handlebars, line it up for a nice and tall parent. Undo the front brakes, and it feels pretty good. So if you want to see my full review of the Bugaboo Fox, who this is for, is this right for you, maybe a chameleon, maybe a different stroll together, just go to the description below. We have a link to our other video, which is a full review of the Fox. Now, if you want any help with, maybe you're sitting in your living room with Fox pieces all over strewn about and you need some help, you should email us your questions to questions@mbeans.com, or you can give us a call at 617-383-8259. Leave a comment below. We will help you through this. We'll walk you through it. We'll help you figure out how to put together this Bugaboo Fox Stroller. If you liked this video, if you found it helpful, I hope you did, please give us a like. And if you want to see more videos like these, please subscribe to our YouTube channel today. Thanks for watching.